Hey guys, so today I'm going to be making slime using pure glue, I'm using Beacons, and for my activator, I'm going to be using borax. So let's get started. So you can add as much as glue as you want, so it might take a little long. Okay, not that much. So I'm adding that much. And now you're going to add your borax. So you just want to add just a little bit, not too much. Just a little bit. Okay, so now you're going to want to start mixing. Mine is clumping up, but I just want to keep mixing just in case. I'm going to keep mixing, and then now you want to add just a little bit of more borax. Okay. You want to keep mixing. Now just add just a little bit of more. Like 2 little drops. And then that should be good enough. Just a little bit more. And then now you just want to knead it. So this is how big my slime is. And yeah, hopefully you enjoyed the video. Bye.